Everybody, it's Frank. I'm at the Atlantic City show, the pool and spa show up here in Atlantic City. Great show with Jordan Thiessen with Cyclone Filter Tools. Jordan, the sponsor of the show. We really appreciate everything they do for us. But today we're going to be talking about we've talked about the Cyclone filter tool in the past, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the Shark. This is a retail version. This is more for the pool owner, and it's for any size filter. You can see, I mean, even these small hot tub cartridges, it does a really good job with those, and works off the same principles as the Cyclone does. So tell me about the Shark.
Sure. Yeah, Filter Shark, it takes everything that is a pain in the back to do with filter cleaning, and it makes it into a positive. It kind of makes it sort of fun to clean your filters, if you would believe it. Here we have a variety of sizes. We've done our best to try to accommodate every filter size that we can get our hands on. And
it will also do large cartridges.
That's correct.
Like on a Pentair 520.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Yes.
it even do the large cartridges.
We have a spa version and a pool and spa version.
Okay.
Two different versions, but this here is the spa, and as you can see, it accommodates a wide range of sizes. It'll do this one, and it'll do closed top filters. That was a challenge for us to figure out how to do that.
Yeah.
Because our Cyclone, our original, actually worked off. These are open top filters.
Yes.
And so we had figured out how to do that, but closed top posed a different hurdle for us to overcome. But here's a example of some of the kind of filters that you can easily clean. Here's an open top. Here's one from like an above ground style pool. Very, very easy to clean on our system.
So it doesn't have to have a cap.
It doesn't have to on some of these. On some of them it does.
On the smaller ones.
Right. But if you do use it, it kind of makes it even more, stable.
Yes.
Now here's our pool, a pool filter, and it's a different version because it includes this top extension piece.
Okay.
So you can go up to the tallest filter that they make, which I think is almost 40 inches tall.
Yeah, was it Hayward has like a 600 something or 700 now?
Pentair makes an XL, XF high flow filter, and it's really tall. So we made it so that we can clean that one too.
And all with the Shark.
That's correct.
Okay.
That's correct. We make some additional adapter that comes with it, and this gets your 4-inch size, your 4.5, and your 6-inch.
Okay.
Which those are your single bullet filters, very popular in Florida. They're big diameter.
Yeah. The one that's single, it's like 200 square foot cartridge.
Yeah, that's right. And we clean those too. So Filter Shark is very versatile for that reason. Also, there's a couple ways that you can set it up and support it. It does come with a small stand with holes that you can mount it into a wooden deck, or a wooden board if you want it to be, movable. Or if you have grass, it's super easy to
just run it down into the ground.
Put the rod straight into the grass, tap it in with a rubber mallet, and you can be, set up really quickly. That's my favorite way to set this up if you have the proper area.
If you got any kind of sod or anything, or even a flower bed.
Yeah, because then there's no cleanup afterwards.
And that's something I noticed when using the Cyclone.
Right.
We use a lot less water.
Yeah.
And we go probably twice as fast We use a lot less water, especially with your spray nozzle,
Right.
which uses a lot less water to accomplish the same thing.
Yeah.
Great pressure, a great fan action, and it does a really good job.
Yeah.
So
yeah, it does use less water, and then it cleans it in half the time.
Right.
So right there, you're at half the water.
right, and you're not bending over.
Yeah, exactly. And
Old people like me appreciate that.
yeah,